Nash Community College is proud to be a part of SkillsUSA, a nonprofit partnership of education and industry. Each year, students prepare to participate in state and national competitions that test their vocational skills in career and technical education courses. Students work against the clock and each other, proving their expertise in occupations like electronics, machining, automotive, welding, graphic design, medical assisting, culinary arts, and cosmetology.
When you don't really know what to expect, and then when you get there and see what it is, it's like, wow. Like I said, they made it more fun and interactive for you, more so than you feeling like you're really at a competition.
The contests are run with the support of industry, trade associations, and labor organizations. Test competencies are set by the industry. Participating in SkillsUSA helps students develop necessary personal and workplace skills along with technical skills grounded in academics.
I've noticed that students have had an amazing time once they feel like they step outside their box. It gives them confidence, they network, they meet new friends, and just seeing them grow and blossom, and it prepares them for the future for a career.
And it's something that you can learn. Like I said, you can learn to work together, you can better your communication skills. It's just a lot of stuff that you can do to make you better for the world.
Through SkillsUSA's programs and curricula, employers ensure colleges are teaching relevant technical skills, and they can assess how ready potential employees are for the job.
It just gave me the experience of like, hey, I know I can do this, and I can get a job in the workforce. I can go and apply for something big in a big industry, in a big field, and I can do it.
Students prepare for industry, and vital positions are filled with highly qualified candidates. For more information on joining SkillsUSA at Nash Community College, email nccskillsusa@nashcc.edu.